The recent Cannes Film Festival, a 1986 Malayalam film was re-released. It was digitally restored in 4K and re-released. The name of the film is Amma Ariyan. The vowel sequence is short, 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 long. There's only one long vowel sound here, and that is yan, yan. Everything else is short. Ma, ri, yan is long. So 4 continuous short sequence and then it's long. Now most people are calling it Amma Ariyan, and these are people who have been sent on your tax money from Doordarshan to cover this event in France.
He was the creative force behind India's first crowdfunded film, Amma Ariyan. It was restored in 4K and screened at the 79th Cannes Film Festival. Team Amma Ariyan walking down the red carpet in Cannes.
Your tax money, and they can't even bother to get the name of the only entry from India, only one entry from India, and they are representing this country. Not only that, there are some influencers and some private YouTube channels. They've also gone there and they can't get the pronunciation right. In fact, so much so, the guy who restored the film, he can't get the pronunciation right. Makes me wonder sometimes. I mean, it's so difficult to get the pronunciation right.
Amma Ariyan film editor Beena Paul is with us. Hi, Beena.
Now, Amma can be pronounced as Amma. By the way, Amma Ariyan means basically to inform mother, reporting to mother. That's what it means. But the difference between Amma is mother, or let's say if in English you say mummy, and or mother. But when you call her, you might say mummy. You might extend that last vowel. Similarly, when you call your mother, you might say Amma, which is fine. But the name of the film is not Amma. You're not calling your mother in the name. It is Amma Ariyan. Short, 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 long. That's the vowel sequence. Always, even when you want to ask somebody how to pronounce something, ask for the vowel sequence. That is what will clarify things for you. So this film is called Amma Ariyan, not Amma Ariyan, as most people are saying. It's important to get the name right.